Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you want powerful, room-filling sound without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best standalone soundbars under $300, carefully selected for their audio quality, features, value, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Sonos Ray. The Sonos Ray is a compact yet powerful standalone soundbar that delivers rich, immersive sound that feels far bigger than its size suggests. Built with precision acoustics, it provides crystal-clear dialogue, balanced mid-range, and surprisingly deep bass, perfect for movies, gaming, and streaming music. Its advanced soundstage technology creates a wide, dynamic audio presence that fills the room with realistic depth and detail. Setup is refreshingly simple, just 2 cables and a few quick steps in the intuitive Sonos app, which also unlocks full streaming control via Wi-Fi, Apple AirPlay 2, or Spotify Connect. You can also integrate it with other Sonos speakers for a full multi-room setup or pair it later with a Sonos sub for more bass. The sleek, minimalist design blends beautifully under most TVs or on a shelf, keeping your setup neat and modern. Number 2. Bose Solo 5 TV Soundbar. The Bose Solo 5 brings signature Bose clarity and balanced sound to your TV in a simple, single-unit design. Engineered for precise dialogue reproduction, this soundbar makes every word, effect, and soundtrack stand out clearly, eliminating the muffled sound of built-in TV speakers. It's a complete no-fuss setup. Plug in one cable to your TV, and you're ready to enjoy detailed, rich sound instantly. The package includes a universal remote, so you can control not only the soundbar, but also your TV, Blu-ray player, and other connected devices, cutting down remote clutter. Compact and sleek, the Bose Solo 5 fits easily into any living space and complements both modern and traditional setups. With optical, coaxial, and auxiliary inputs, it's compatible with nearly any TV. The dialogue mode enhances speech clarity even during loud action scenes, making it ideal for talk shows, dramas, and news. Number 3. Sony HT-S2000. The Sony HT-S2000 brings cinematic immersion to your living room with the power of Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Using Sony's vertical surround engine and S-Force Pro front surround, it creates a spacious 3D sound field that feels like the audio is moving around you, even without rear speakers. Inside, it features dual built-in subwoofers, 3 front speakers, and a dedicated center channel for crystal-clear dialogue. You can also expand it by adding optional wireless subwoofers or rear speakers for deeper surround sound. Connectivity is effortless with HDMI eARC, optical input, USB, and Bluetooth, ensuring compatibility with all major devices. When paired with a Sony Bravia TV, it syncs seamlessly via acoustic center sync, aligning picture and sound perfectly. The Sony Home Entertainment Connect app makes it easy to adjust sound modes, control playback, or fine-tune the audio balance directly from your phone. Stylish, compact, and loaded with premium sound technologies. Number 4. Yamaha SR-C20A. The Yamaha SR-C20A packs serious performance into a small frame, proving that great sound doesn't need a big footprint. With its built-in subwoofer and dual passive radiators, it produces deep, punchy bass and clear mid-range tones, giving movies and music impressive depth. The clear voice technology ensures dialogue always stands out, even during high-action scenes, making it ideal for TV shows, streaming, or gaming. Connectivity is simple and flexible. HDMI ARC, optical, auxiliary, and Bluetooth options let you connect everything from TVs to smartphones and laptops. At just 23 inches wide, it fits perfectly under smaller TVs or on desks, and it can also be wall-mounted thanks to built-in keyholes. The included remote offers direct access to sound modes and volume adjustments. Yamaha's decades of audio expertise shine through with balanced, distortion-free sound that feels full and immersive despite its size. Compact, affordable, and easy to use, the Yamaha SR-C20A is the ideal soundbar for small spaces. Number 5. Denon DHT-S216. Closing out the list, the Denon DHT-S216 delivers a true home theater experience in a single, all-in-one soundbar. With Dolby Digital, DTS decoding, and DTS Virtual X, it creates an immersive, multi-dimensional surround sound experience without needing extra speakers. Equipped with dual down-firing subwoofers, dual mid-range drivers, and two 1-inch tweeters, it produces deep, detailed sound with clear highs and impactful lows. Denon's dialogue enhancer keeps voices sharp and distinct even during explosive action scenes, so you never miss a word. Setup is fast and straightforward. Just connect the included HDMI or optical cable and you're ready to go. It even works with your TV remote for streamlined control. For music lovers, built-in Bluetooth makes wireless streaming from phones or tablets effortless, with support for services like Spotify and Tidal. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best standalone soundbars under $300. From the rich sound of the Sonos Ray to the cinematic power of the Sony HT-S2000 and Denon's immersive DHT-S216, there's something here for every room and budget. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more budget tech reviews and home entertainment recommendations. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks. See you in the next one.